In this guide, I'll show you how to add already installed games to the Epic Games launcher. So in this example, I already have Fall Guys installed on my computer, yet if I click on it, it's asking me to download and install it again. So what you want to do is first find the installation path for your Epic Games launcher, and the easiest way to do this is to find a game you've already installed and go to the three dots beneath it, and then we're going to go to Manage and select this folder icon to open up the installation path. So for me, I'm saving games on my D drive in the Epic Games folder. So now what I need to do is find the Fall Guys game folder and move it over here. But first, we're going to have to create a folder for right here by going back and starting the download for this game and then just canceling it. So I'm going to go to install and wait for this installation to begin. And then once it begins installing, I'm going to stop it. And then I'm going to select the three dots beneath it and go to cancel install. So now what we're going to do is go back to this already installed game and go to Manage and go back to the installation path. And now if I go into the Epic Games folder, you'll see it's created a Fall Guys folder. So now what I need to do is find where I've already installed Fall Guys. So in my case, I know it's on my Windows C drive in the program files in the Epic Games folder, but this might be a little bit different for you depending on the game. So once you've found your game, what you want to do is open up the folder and click on one thing and press Ctrl A to select everything, and then press Ctrl C. So now what I'm going to do is go back to that folder we just created, and once you found it, open it up, and then you want to press Ctrl V to add everything into this folder. So once your game is copied over, you can go back to where we were before and delete that folder if you'd like to free up some space. So I'm just going to delete this and exit out. And now when I go back and try to install the game again, rather than installing it fully, it's simply going to verify the integrity of the game files, which will be a lot faster. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.